departing on runway 16 right and runway 16 left. On initial contact, advise you is Papa.
Papa. Alright, so we just got some information that's on the field.
Number 35 Charlie, as soon as the citation pulls into the ramp, continue taxi.
35 Charlie. Van Nuys ground, Diamond 306 Echo Foxtrot, at Anchor taxi for takeoff with Papa.
Diamond 306 Echo Foxtrot, Van Nuys ground, 16 right, taxi via Alpha.
16 right, taxi via Alpha, Diamond 6 Echo Foxtrot.
Van Nuys ground, Cessna 7505 Golf Alpha 1, taxi Foxtrot.
Information Papa, straight out departure, flight following to the mini route.
Calling for the mini route, take the call sign only, please.
And there 601 Victor Papa, Lima November Charlie 4, Flying Golf.
601 Victor Papa, Van Nuys ground, what's your position?
McGuire North.
60 Papa, Roger, 16 right, taxi via Alpha. When you get to the blast fence for your run-up, contact clearance 126.6.
Okay, Alpha to run up and then contact clearance 126.6, 1 Victor Papa.
Thank you, Bill.
Roger, just verify runway for departure, 16 right.
Alright, 16 right, 1 Victor Papa.
For 3 Kilo Mike, contact Tower 100.3 when you're passing Echo.
Tower 19.3 past Echo, 623.
Van Nuys ground, Cessna 7505 Golf Alpha 1, takeoff.
If we turn right here in front of you.
Oh my God!
The right ramp.
Yeah, that's Alpha 4 there, November 4 Mike Tango, that's Castle and Cook. And then that's Castle and Cook right here, and then sometimes they also call Castle and Cook ramp on the north side of the tower here, so if the marshals told you to go this way in Alpha 4, then you should probably go down this taxiway here.
We're taking a right.
They're just having a conversation.
We see our Sovereign over here inside the ramp.
Right Tango, watch that. Continue, follow the guy there with the tow tractor.
4 back down, thank you.
Van Nuys ground, Cessna 75 Golf Alpha 1, taxi.
75 Golf, Van Nuys ground, 16 right, taxi via Alpha, verify the ATIS code.
I think it was Foxtrot, I forgot now.
7 Alpha, Roger, it's actually Papa, and the wind is 11, correction, it's 140 at 8, altimeter's 29 or 88, range 16 right, taxi via Alpha.
16 right, taxi via Alpha, thank you, 750 Golf.
Number 35 Charlie, thanks for waiting.
35 Charlie.
I do a little run up here. This is where we just check our engine. So just go up.
Van Nuys ground, Gulfstream.
Put our engine up about 1700 RPM, something like that.
Taxi.
And then I check our one cylinder at a time.
Delta Van Nuys Tower, turn right on taxiway Bravo.
Check all our spark plugs, make sure they're all firing real nice.
Okay, turn right on Bravo and hold short.
And we make sure our...
Black and yellow line.
This is one of those...
Yeah, just perpendicular line next to this Gulfstream on your right.
Let's talk too much. This is one of those gyroscopic instruments. We got this one, and we got this one. Alright, attitude indicator, our directional gyro, it's kind of a backup to our compass, makes it easier to see because the compass kind of moves backwards. And then we got our turn coordinator. This one's actually electrically driven, backups. Planes are all about backup and backup. Alright, so top to ground. So what's going to happen, we're going to get on here, and then you're going to give power, right? So you're just going to push this in all the way in, just 1, 2, 3, full power, alright?
Okay.
I'll work the rudders, so don't worry about them.
Alright.
And once we get to 60 miles per hour, you're just going to give it a little back pressure. We're going to climb out, and it's all about small corrections, all right?
Okay.
So just try to keep rotate at 60. That's rotate is rotate. And then we're going to try to climb out at like 75. And if it gets too fast, you pull up a little bit. If it gets too slow, you push down. And it's all about small corrections, all right?
Okay.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 7505, Golf Point short, 16 right at Charlie, like straight out for Malibu Coast.
7505 Golf, Van Nuys Tower, from 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear 16 right, 7505 Golf. Alright, so here we're clear for takeoff. I'll get us lined up, and when I say go, put one hand here, one hand here.
Okay, straight out.
There going. Once we get going, you'll start feeling it.
November 6th, November 5, Van Nuys Tower, same type aircraft?
Lima November Charlie 4, Night Golf, Lancer 4P.
November 6th, November power.
And go ahead, full power. There you go, very nice. So we're just gonna, I'm using those rudders just to stay on that center line. Sorry about that.
That's fine.
Hey, you feel that nose wobble we talked about? So there's 60, so give it a little back pressure. There you go, a little more, and it'll fly. There you go, nose down a little bit. There, just like that. Yeah, right here. And you kind of hold that. Make sure that power's all the way in. Okay. All the way in, yeah.
Charlie, contact Bravo Tower 118.7.
Approaching Burbank, 35 Charlie.
Delta 350 Golf Delta Van Nuys Tower. Roger. At Charlie, cross runway 16.
Pull up a little bit. I'll let you do that. There you go. There you go. Just kind of hold that. Try to keep the wings level. That wind's going to be small buffets. You just kind of make a little correction, and that's it. We're going to go right over those mountains over there. Straight up for now. You're doing good.
Will be a southwest departure.
05 Golf, we're going to hop over the reservoir, if that's okay?
05 Golf, are you going to be a southwestbound departure then?
Affirmative.
This is 05 Golf, for traffic, turn right 52 Encino Reservoir.
Direct Encino Reservoir, 05 Golf.
Alright, so we're going to go right towards that. That's the Encino Reservoir over there. He's talking to us. He wants us out of the way of some traffic. So just right, see that kind of, you can't see the water right now because we're not up there. Right there, yeah. Let's get some altitude on this. There you go.
Thank you.
As we get up higher, it'll get a little smoother. Okay. And we'll notice once we're over the other hills, yeah, a lot smoother.
Left, close traffic.
7306 Echo Fox, I'll start standby. 05 Golf for faster traffic and trail. Turn right 30 more degrees and keep Encino Reservoir off your left.
30 degrees right, keeping the reservoir off our left, 05 Golf.
Answer 1 Victor Papa for...
That's good, roll out here.
Disregard, you continue straight out and just keep your speed up until you're past the 101.
1 Victor Papa, welcome.
Going fast is passing out behind us. Oh well. Keep that climb coming. He's sending us over the high part of the mountain, so we gotta make sure we get up there. There you go. Oh, not too much. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, don't worry. I'll grab it if anything gets... I get worried at all. Alright.
Answer 1 Victor Papa, frequency chain approved. Thanks for the help today.
Okay, thanks.
That's 05 Golf, resume on navigation.
05 Golf.
Oh, we can head that way. Actually, we're doing pretty good. We just have to keep heading this way. We'll make it over, no problem. Now you can tell it's only 100 horsepower, but we got enough power, right? I mean, light little plane, just two guys with pretty light people.
6 Echo Fox Road.
There's a 3 Kilo Mike, and traffic is 12 o'clock, 2 miles straight out. Lancer, there'll be no factor. As you begin your left turn, contact SoCal departure.
Yeah, 2,200. Once you're at 2,500, you can level out, all right? All right.
Station 5030 Victor Van Nuys, are you ready?
We are ready.
Alright, so nose down.
We're awaiting a release.
And you kind of put your horizon there and look outside.
Big chain approved today.
See you later, 05 Golf.
Up over there. And as we speed up, you're going to have to push forward more because these wings are producing a lot more lift. Okay. So yeah, just keep that forward pressure down. And we're going to get some bumps coming over these hills. Wow, that marine layer is pretty thick, huh? Up, a little more down pressure. And then here's that trim I was talking about. We're going to put that forward. Alleviates a lot of the pressure that you have to push on there. That's kind of what we use it for. Okay. Very nice. That down. But we want to make sure we stay below 3,000. These are the Santa Monica Hills. Lots of trails to hike out here and stuff. There's pumas and stuff, or cougars, whatever they have out here. Oh. What do you do in Pittsburgh? You live in Pittsburgh now? Yeah, yeah. What do you do out there? I just... idea. What's that? I just, I go to school. Oh, cool. Yeah. going to do, we're going to come over the Palisades here. Once we head over this cloud bank, kind of veer right, and then we're going to fly pretty much west. Okay. So right now we're flying pretty much south. Yeah, you can angle that way now if you want. There you go, and then kind of roll out. And every time we roll out, you'll notice that plane wants to pop up because we're kind of changing our lift when we're turning. That's how we turn.
White and gray Cessna is just approaching Cowles Mountain at 3,000 feet, climb to 3,500 heading east. San Diego east.
And Santa Monica Malibu traffic, you got a Cessna White and Blue coming over the Encino Reservoir westbound along the Malibu coast at 2,700 feet. Veer to the right a little more.
Simi Valley traffic, White Cirrus.
That's fine. That's straight. Get over the water. We just had to get around Santa Monica airspace. Watch that altitude, push down a little bit. That's Santa Monica right there. Oh wow.
What is that?
Yeah.
3,600 over the Palisades.
The pier. Pier is under a cloud right now. Yeah, there it is. There's the pier out there. Oh yeah. And we'll go out and we're going to go from there. We're going to go over to Malibu Pier. Alright. I'm going to have a little nose trim there. Get that power a little bit. We'll reduce a little bit of power. There we go. And I'll get over. Now if you want to check those rudders out, kind of push those, see what they do. Yeah, feel that? Oh wow. Yeah. So that's our kind of gives, and what happens is you hit your left one, and it's also going to turn you a little bit. So when we turn, we're actually coordinating the rudder and the aileron, getting tight into a turn.
Santa Monica towards the library, 3,500 feet. To do turns around a point at the library. Any traffic, please advise.
White Cirrus, 4,000. We're right at the 118.23. You're maneuvering.
Alright, we'll stay at or below 30.
I'll get over the water a little bit. Alright.
West of the 23, and we'll stay west of the library.
Roger that, we'll be looking for you.
That marine layer is burning off right now. I'll give a little power back in. Let's get back up to 2,500 above these clouds here. Malibu traffic, Cessna White and Blue, 2,500 feet westbound along Malibu coast, approaching the Malibu Pier. And you see that pier right there, that's Malibu. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of go around that peak right there. So let's get a little altitude so we can see where we're going. And now the traffic, Sydney traffic, you got a Cessna White and Blue northbound through the Malibu Pier, Malibu Pass. It's 2500.
Malibu traffic, lights port 119 X-ray, white lowing aircraft descending through 3000 to Santa Monica last transmission. Malibu area traffic.
Alright, so I'm going to turn this right here and check our area. Then we're going to bank here. You're going to see the Malibu beach break right off the, out that window there. See a bunch of surfers down there. Oh wow. Yeah, right? It should be a good swell today. Yeah. Oh, is it? I'm going to take a gander there. Oh yeah, not bad. A little altitude. We're not allowed to get too close to these clouds. We'll check out these right here. So what I like about clouds is you can see how fast you're actually going. Right now about 120 miles per hour. Wow. Here's a little reference. I like clouds. They're still below the peaks over here. Yeah. This area over here is called Hidden Hills. A lot of celebrities live out here. Oh, a lot of big houses too. Yeah. Nice place. Just out in the middle of nowhere too.
Santa Paula eastbound. We are at 1,700 climbing.
2987. ILS, runway 16 right, approaching news. Landing and departing on runway 16 right and runway 16 left. On initial contact, advise Aviators Papa.
Bill Papa.
San Jose Airport information, Papa 21520, Zulu. Wind 160 at 4. Visibility 1.
That's the Warner Center over there. I'm just going to fly kind of right to there, and then we're going to head back to the airport. All right.
Calling Van Nuys Tower, 119.3, 120.2. Your radio is very broken. Say again.
There's some large places down there, like castles, huh? Wow.
Clear for the option. Traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles southbound. Helicopter altitude indicates 1,400.
1 clear for the option, looking for traffic. 16 Foxtrot.
Tower, Swift 339er with Sierra, runway 16, ready to go, IFR departure.
Inside 6 Echo Foxtrot.
Tower 239 with Sierra, Van Tower, thank you for advising that your IFR standby for release.
Standby, Fernando Whiskey Sierra.
Notify the call, sorry, I might have said it wrong, the call sign is it 339er Whiskey Sierra or 239er Whiskey Sierra?
339er Whiskey Sierra.
As we get out over the warm air, it gets bumpy. So that the hot earth, you know, gets thermals. That's just what we're feeling right here. Just if I wanted to, if we weren't so close to the airport, I'd just climb. We wouldn't have to deal with it anymore. As it is, I could just slow down. Anytime you hit turbulence, you just slow down a little bit. Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 7505 Golf at the Warner Center with Papa.
Cessna 05 Golf, Van Nuys Tower, make right traffic, runway 16 right, squawk 0272.
0272, 05 Golf. What he just did is gave me a squawk code. This is called a transponder. So anytime anyone with a radar sees our transponder, it's all planes have them. As I was squawking. You squawk is what we call the code you put in there. I was squawking what was called VFR 1200, which just everyone who's just on their own puts in there. But then once you get in controlled airspace and you're talking to ATC, they give you what you call a discrete squawk code. You put a code in there, and this way everyone on the radar knows now that I'm coming into Van Nuys, and they know my altitude and my location. This is just all Fernando Valley.
Runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff.
Roll 16 right for Sirius 909, 339er Whiskey Sierra, sorry about that.
Hey, good afternoon, Van Nuys Tower, Coach 21's with you, 8.5 miles out, ILS 16 right.
Coach 21 Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, continue.
Wow, almost all these houses have pools. Every single house is a pool, and you'll notice nobody's using them. Yeah. And once you get out there, like to the big houses, they all have tennis courts. Nobody uses them. Oh wait. Yeah, it really is. Like I say it every day. It's like everyone has a pool, nobody's using them.
Cessna 05 Golf, number 2, following a C-130, 5.5 mile final. Caution right, Chairman, support in sight.
Did you say it was a C-130?
At 09er Whiskey Sierra, you're turning a little early, and this is make sure you check your charts. It's a 2.2 DME for Van Nuys.
Sorry, looking for the water. I thought it was over the golf course. It's the water catch basin. Sorry, 9 Whiskey Sierra, sorry.
Van Nuys Sierra, roger. Just use caution in the future. Traffic about 3 miles southwest your position westbound. Altitude gets 2,000, type unknown, contact SoCal departure 134.2.
Hey, going to SoCal for 9 Whiskey Sierra, and I'm going to the catch basin.
At 9 Whiskey Sierra, you begin your turn right, heading is 210 now.
9 Whiskey Sierra, thank you.
Good day.
I thought he said I was following a C-130, which is a giant airplane.
Foxtrot turn base at the VA hospital. Caution terms C-130, 4 mile final for the.
Yeah, he definitely said a C-130. Wow. It'll be crossing right there soon.
9 Sierra, contact SoCal departure 134.2.
Coach 2-1, lights canceled this time.
Coach 2-1, IFR cancellation received.
There he is.
Runway 16 right, cleared, low approach.
Awesome.
And then
Where? I don't see it.
I will advise that you're at turn.
Coach 2-1, copy.
He's doing, it's a military guy just doing a practice approach. Oh, wow.
Center Tower, Aztec 503 Yankee is currently...
Look at that.
Oh, wow. To the north.
05 Golf has traffic. We're going to follow him and shoot him down.
799 Golf Kilo, hold short 16 right, ready to go.
Senior 79 Golf Kilo Van Terra, standby for release. 76 Echo Foxtrot, cross turns for the C-130, landing, doing a low approach on the right.
Russian Victor, Diamond 6 Echo Foxtrot.
Banshee 503 Yankee Van Terra, make sure you're runway 16 right.
Continue straight in, runway 16 right, 3 Yankee.
Nice Tower, TBM 173, Tango Mike is 15 miles west inbound for full stop with Papa.
And then Meridian calling Van Ness Tower, stay again.
That was a TBM 173 Tango Mike.
TBM 173 Tango Mike Van Ness Tower, continue inbound squawk 0205, altimeter 2986.
Now I'm just kind of slowing down.
That's broken for 173 Tango Mike.
Now I'm putting those flaps in. As you notice, those flaps went down a little bit. That's just slowing down. That just allows me to fly at a slower airspeed without sinking so much.
Coach 21, begin your right turn heading 210 and comply with the instructions from SoCal.
Okay, we're coming right 210 for 30 passenger, thank you.
Coach 21, contact SoCal departure 134.2, good day.
34.2 for Coach 2-1, good day.
Zip, I go. We clear 16 right?
Zero Echo Golf third, runway 16 right, third to land, cross returns to the C-130 to the lower approach.
Clear 16 right. Thank you, Zip, Echo. Oops, little pop up there. Now I'm just kind of slowing down. I'm going to descend. I just fly right along the ground until I burn the speed off. Touchdown those back wheels, yep, just like that. There we go.
Cessna 05 Golf, turn right at Golf or Hotel, your discretion, contact ground point 7.
I'll be off at Golf, ground point 7, 05 Golf. Pop that window open if you want.
Yankees on a 4 mile final.
3 Yankee, roger.
Van Nuys ground, Cessna 7505 Golf, off at Golf for Hoover Hangars.
Cessna 7505 Golf, Van Nuys ground, taxi, park and be out.
Park and be out, 05 Golf, thank you.
See that place right over there?
Yeah, Sky Zone?
Yeah, we were just there yesterday. Got it off of Groupon 2.
Oh, no, I saw that's pretty new, I think.
Really?
I mean, I just started noticing it like this year. Is it fun?
Yeah.
What is it? Just trampolines everywhere?
Trampolines everywhere.
Pretty much what you imagine?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Were you just in town visiting your mom?
Yeah, for a week.
Oh, cool. Did you grow up here, or did you grow up in Pittsburgh?
I grew up in Pittsburgh.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. I used to come out.
For the summers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to get out of Pittsburgh for the... Actually, I would think you'd want to get out of there for the winters, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I've never been to Pittsburgh. How do you like it?
It's very cold, and then it's very hot.
Do you feel that little knocking? That's just that nose wheel.
Yeah.
I try to relieve the pressure by pulling up a little bit. But bottom line is it's just shaking. The slower it stops. Here's all the firefighting helicopters and stuff.
Oh, wow.
A lot of fires here in California, obviously. And
Yeah.
where they park. That's just a big private jet right there. That's real money right there.
Wow.
They're remodeling that thing.
Huh.
It used to be a Reno Air Racer.
Wow.
All right. Cut that off. Cut the mixture.